Okay, I'm going to show you how to use masking fluid. I'm using Winsor & Newton watercolor masking fluid. It's not the permanent type, it's just plain masking fluid. And it has a yellow tint, and you can see that at the bottom. You're best not to shake it up because it causes lots of bubbles. I'm going to take off the lid and put that aside for a moment. Lubricate my brush with a little bit of water. And then I take a bar, I have like a little bar of travel soap. So I'm going to lubricate, just gently take your damp brush and lubricate your brush, because the masking fluid will destroy your brushes and get stuck in the fibers, and you'll never be able to use it for anything else. So it's best to use a dedicated brush for masking fluid. And what I'm doing is I'm taking the fluid and tapping it off on the side of my jar. And a fine brush and where my whitest whites are, I'm adding a little bit of the fluid. So anything that I want to be intensely white, the white of the paper, the fluid will be right there as a barrier. And that's too bloppy, so I'm going to pick that up. And then put a few dots of white. And there's even a little tiny dot on the tip of the snowman's nose. And when I'm done with my brush, wash it out. And then I take it and wash it in Dawn dish detergent afterward, just so I could use this again for masking fluid. All right, I hope that helped.